Greetings, River Lady here, and it's been 2 weeks since I unveiled my AeroGarden that my friend sent me, and I thought I would share with you the progress of my seedlings. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn off the light so you can actually see what's going on, and look! I have things growing. How cool. I have gardens outside. You can see their little roots. You see their little roots in there? I have gardens outside, and growing plants on my dining room table is thrilling me. Okay, so I've learned a few things since reading the instructions. Who knew you were supposed to read the instructions? And one of the things I learned is that you take off these little domey caps when the seedlings get tall enough where they start hitting the sides of the caps. And yes, when the caps start getting filled with water, like this one is, and this one, it's time to take them off. So those have to come off because that water would drip on the leaves and it would rot them. Don't want to do that. All right, a couple of other things I learned from reading the instructions. Always keep the light source no more than 6 inches from the plants. I originally had the light source way up at its highest. I'll show you if I can figure it out. Yeah, I originally had the light source up there. Nope, not good. So we want to keep it no more than 6 inches from the plants. Again, reading instructions rocks. Every month I am supposed to empty out all the water in this container and fill it with fresh water. Seems like a lot of work, but okay. Twice a month I am supposed to give this nifty Miracle-Gro AeroGarden liquid plant food, and again, light bulb moment, I'm supposed to follow the directions on the back. So I have 6 pods, so I am supposed to give 2 capfuls, shaking well first, every 2 weeks. So I change the water, give 2 capfuls, 2 weeks later, give 2 capfuls, 2 weeks later, change the water, give 2 capfuls. I'm exhausted already, and I haven't even started doing all of that. So I will be giving 2 capfuls today. I'll do it off camera because I'll probably make a mess. All right, what else did I learn? I also learned that don't wait for your lights to flash to add plant food, so go on the every 2-week schedule. Make sure you're keeping the light on for the full 15 hours. Don't go cutting back and going to 14.5 hours. These little babies need 15 hours of these grow lights. And I think that's all that I learned. So I can leave these domes on. This guy doesn't. Yeah, see, he's in there. He's in there. He's coming up. All right, come on, I want a salad. Give me some lettuce. Okay, so that's it for my AeroGarden, for the second showing of my AeroGarden. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share my channel, hit the bell, jump up and down, sing, wave. It's a pleasure having you follow me, and stay safe and happy gardening.